Want a number on your iPhone keyboard without installing any third party keyboard app. But there is one problem that I will tell you at the end of the video. Go to Settings, General, scroll down and go to Keyboard Settings. Tap on Keyboards, add new keyboard, and search Vietnamese. Add new keyboard and VNI and tap on the tick on the top right. There is one problem. You cannot slide to type on Vietnamese keyboard, but you can do the same on your regular iPhone keyboard. So you can use this keyboard if you don't use slide to type. If you found this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe for such tips and updates. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.